Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these little stainless steel measuring spoons. Alright, so these come in 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon. So stainless steel is, I mean, it's like the go-to thing for silverware, obviously. It doesn't stain because it's stainless. These are nicely labeled here. If you can see, each one has a big bold like cutout here. Sorry, I'm going to get a little close here, but this shows each one and clearly marked there the amount that it is. So that is nice. Also, these are decently long handle. So I mean, some we got are like little short ones, so you try to scoop stuff out and you get it in a container that's too big. These are probably about 3.5 inches long there, and nice and solid too. So they're not little plastic ones that are going to bend if you try to scoop something out. These are definitely nice and rugged here. Also, they have this little clasp that can come undone there if you want to keep them together or separate them. And not only that, look at that. So if you're going to put them in your drawer, they all pretty much go right on top of each other. All fit in one little happy place there. You put them on the wall too if you wanted to. So just a great little addition to your kitchen. These things look like they're going to be pretty great and last nearly forever. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.